We got the best of both worlds putting it together, you know, ourselves, because we can put it together, we can take it apart, put it back together, fix it.
Mr. Hentges here has bought our new aviary system that's going for our cage-free egg market. The market tends to be going more and more towards this aviary and cage-free styles, and this is the way to maximize both your bird population, bird numbers, and egg capacity with the same footprint of an existing older house. Without the help of Pat coming in, he would come by and check our work and make sure everything was in good shape. And the attention to detail he has on putting these things together, the amount of pictures he has and stuff, he's done an exceptional job. This by far is 100 times easier to operate this system compared to what we had before. Maintenance is simple. If you have something go wrong, you don't have to take apart a whole bunch of things to get to it to fix it. It is all very, very easy to fix. Any of the local farmers in the area that Mr. Hentges knows and may want to pursue looking and putting in an aviary system like this, he's going to have a full working knowledge of the assembly, the operational aspect, and that's why it's Chore-Time. We want to make sure that this system goes in and operates for him the way he intended and we intended it.